Today we are going to see an amazing feature with which you can change the chat color. For example, if we send the message, we see the chat color in yellow. Right now I have changed the colors. By default the colors are different. So if you want to change this chat bar color, how we can do that? Let's see. So first of all, let's go back and just click on these three lines right here on the corner, as we can see here. And from here, just click on the settings. And from the settings, you can see the chat settings right here. Now here guys, we have a lot of options. So for example, you want to change this yellow color to something else. We have different color themes as well. Now, for example, I choose a particular theme. Now, if we click on the browse themes, you can actually go in here and you can build your own theme, as you can see here. So for example, I want to choose this theme, but I want to customize the messages in some different colors. So for example, I want this particular theme, but I want to create a new theme here because I want to change the chat color in a different way. So you can just create a new theme and click on create a new theme, and just right here, my theme, click on create. And from here, you can customize anything you want. As you can see here, now you can change the chat colors. For example, just select the chat and you can only select and change the chat color just like that. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can change the chat color. Also, you can customize your own theme. You can explore it on your own. Or if you want to join the complete series on Telegram, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.